Hello, my name's Keith. I'm the tutor for the Foundation Level 1 and 2 Engineering course. If you enjoy practical skills, the Foundation course is for you. This is a one-year course based around practical engineering. We have an excellent workshop facilities with industrial specification machines, including lathes, milling machines, drills, benchwork area and welding. You'll be trained to use this equipment so you'll be able to produce an exciting range of projects, both in training and assessment tasks. Once you are confident with the range of processes and techniques learned, you will then be assessed to produce practical components supported by logbook write-ups of how to produce these parts. This evidence will then be kept in your portfolio and will be developed over the year. Entry criteria for the Foundation course is English and Maths, grade 3 to 4. And you should have a good interest in practical engineering skills, preferably covered by design and technology or engineering link qualifications at school. What you'll be studying will be an MVQ in performing engineering operations at level 1 and level 2. Some of the units that you'll be covering will be very similar between level 1 and level 2. So there'll be mandatory units, which will be Unit 1, Health and Safety, Unit 2, Working Efficiently and Effectively in Engineering, Unit 3, Engineering Communication. For level 1, Unit 4 will be making components using hand tools and fitting techniques, Unit 7, using lathes for turning operations, and Unit 15, arc welding, MMA. For level 2, you'd also be doing bench work and hand fitting skills, producing components on lathes, and Unit 29, which would be MIG welding. Progression from this course could lead you on to level 3 or even into an apprenticeship. I'm now going to hand over to Julian to talk about the rest of the course.